In this video, we are going to see how we can make corrections to any existing entry. For example, in this project, the last entry was 1 Corolla windscreen damage during loading and unloading. Let's say that I have made the correct entry, but the date was wrong. So what we can do is just head over to the inventory and services. If you want to check the report, click on the reports. And from here, just click on the inventory tab. You're already here. And then we will click on inventory adjustment journal. Just click here. And since it was an adjustment, this is the entry. Just double click. As we can see here, the entry date is 1st of January, wrongly put. Just double click here. And now we see the screen again. If we change the date to 27th of January, we will notice that the quantity also might change. So 27th of January. Here the quantity didn't change, but it could be the case. Reference, just put any reference number and rest all is fine. Click save. And if you just want to make sure that everything is saved correctly, what you can do is just refresh from the top just to make sure that the date is correct now. Date is not showing correctly. So I think I need to close this and reopen this, save, and now it's showing correctly. Click refresh and now it should update. So that's how you make all the corrections to the date or amounts in Sage. Just try it by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.